So, yeah, this is my voice. Yeah, yeah. Um, also, I'll be explaining some things, okay? So first of all, oh my gosh, um, uh, I literally don't have a script for this, guys. I'm so sorry if this sounds weird. And I kind of have a stuffy nose, too. Um, okay, so, um, no more schedule. As you can um probably tell, I don't really like schedules, and I just prefer to make videos when I feel like it. So yeah, and I think I might post some gaming content on here. So yeah, expect that. Okay. Okay, you got that? Okay, okay. Oh my god, that was cringe. Okay. Bye.